Welcome back to the English Listening Channel. Today's story is called English at the Hotel. In this episode, Emma and Leo arrive at their hotel after a long journey. You will hear them at the front desk, in their room, having dinner, and enjoying breakfast the next morning. Please listen carefully. I will speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin.
Wow, this lobby looks amazing. It feels so calm.
Yeah, it's even nicer than the photos. Look at those lights above us. They're beautiful.
And it smells so fresh here. I love that.
Same. Let's check in. The front desk is right there.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Riverstone Hotel. How may I help you? Hi, we have a reservation under Leo Kim. Let me check. Yes, Mr. Kim, a double room for 2 nights. May I see your passports? Here you go. Thank you. Your room is 512 on the 5th floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. and checkout is at 11 a.m. Here are your key cards. The elevators are behind you. Enjoy your stay. Thank you.
The staff here are so polite.
Yeah, they're really friendly. I'm so tired, though. I need a bed.
Same. Room 512. That's easy to remember.
Your turn for the shower. It feels great.
Okay, I'll go now.
Let me check what's on TV. Nice. They have English channels.
That was refreshing. I feel alive again.
Should we head out for dinner soon?
Yes, but somewhere close. I'm still tired.
The hotel restaurant looks good.
Perfect. Let's go there.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Anna. What's yours?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Is this your first day here?
Yes, I'm new to this school.
Oh, really? Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from England.
Do you like this class?
Yes, it's fun. The teacher is kind.
I agree. The lessons are easy to follow.
What subjects do you like?
I like English and art.
Cool. I like math and English.
Maybe we can study together sometime.
That's a good idea.
Let's start after class today.
Sure. See you then.
See you, Tom. Excuse me, Tom. What time is it?
It's 8:45.
Oh no, I'm late for class.
Don't worry. Your class is just around the corner.
Really? That's good.
Do you study here too?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I work nearby.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, bus number 10.
Me too.
The bus is coming now.
Perfect. Let's get on.
After you.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, almost every morning.
Then we'll see each other often.
Yes, we will.
Good morning, Anna.
Morning, Tom.
Are you hungry?
A little. What's for breakfast?
Toast and scrambled eggs.
Yum. I love eggs.
Want some orange juice?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Any plans today?
Homework, then dance class.
Dance class sounds fun.
It is. What about you?
I'm playing football with friends.
Don't forget your water bottle.
I won't.
Breakfast is ready.
Smells great.
Let's eat. How long have you been waiting for the bus?
About 5 minutes.
Is the bus usually late?
Sometimes, but not too much.
Where are you going today?
I'm going to the library.
Oh, I'm going there too.
Great. We can go together.
Do you know which bus number we need?
Yes, it's bus number 21.
How long is the ride?
Around 15 minutes.
That's not bad.
Do you go to the library often?
Yes, I like reading there.
Me too. It's quiet and relaxing.
Here comes the bus.
Perfect timing.
Let's get on.
After you.
Tom, have you done the laundry?
Not yet. I was just about to start.
Great. Can you wash the white clothes first?
Sure. Where are they?
They're in the basket near the door.
Okay, I see them.
Don't forget to add detergent.
How much should I use?
2 small scoops.
Got it.
And set the machine to cold wash.
Cold wash. Done.
Thanks. What about the colored clothes?
I'll wash them after this load.
Perfect.
Do we need fabric softener?
Yes, add some in the next wash.
Okay, I will.
Thanks for helping.
No problem. Teamwork.
Tom, have you done the laundry? Tom, are you feeling okay?
Not really. I have a headache.
Do you want to see a doctor?
Yes, I think I should.
Do you have an appointment?
No, not yet.
Let me check the clinic hours.
Thank you.
They are open until 6 p.m.
Good. It's only 4 p.m. now.
Do you have your ID card?
Yes, it's in my wallet.
And your health card?
Yes, I have that too.
Let's go then.
I hope it's nothing serious.
It's okay. You just need some rest.
I hope so.
Don't worry, I'm with you.
Thanks, Anna.